Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Solve. If your Windows PC starts acting weird, apps crash, settings break, or everything just feels off, then you have probably seen this fix everywhere. Just run SFC Scannow. But here's the truth, it almost never works properly on its own. And today I'm going to show you why that happens, and the right way to fix your system so SFC actually works. So what happens when you run SFC? You type the command, wait a few minutes, and then you see this message: Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files, but was unable to fix some of them. Now you might think the tool is broken, but it is not. The real problem is how people are using it. SFC, also known as System File Checker, scans your system files and replaces corrupted ones. Sounds good, but here's the catch. It uses a local Windows image stored on your PC to repair files. After updates, patches, and upgrades, that image can get messed up or outdated. So when SFC tries to fix your system, it is using bad files to repair bad files. That is why it fails. So what is the fix? Before running SFC, you need to repair the Windows image first. For that, we use another built-in tool called dism. Open the Start menu, type cmad, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/checkhealth. Then type dism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth. Then type dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. This will repair the Windows image by downloading clean files. Give it a few minutes to finish. Now run SFC Scannow again. This time, it will use a repaired image, and in most cases, it will show Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Fix the source, and the repair tool will actually work. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.